Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically yesterday I did a video talking about basically apps that I'm able to just click a button a day and earn. So this is a part two of some apps that I have on my phone that basically what I do guys is just click a button a day and earn. So before I get into the video guys, I just want to say if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up so my video can be seen by more people. So yes guys, so basically what we're going to do guys, we're going to go straight into the video. So the first app I want to share with you that you're able to just click a button and earn is basically called CryptoTab guys. And the thing is, this is a every hour, so every hour you're every 2 hour rather, every 2 hours guys, rather every 2 hour you're able to come inside here and click a button and you'll be earning. So yes guys, so basically guys, as you can see here, you have 2 hours mining, and basically what it does, it mines cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin for you guys. So yeah, so what I'll do for you guys, I'll just leave the link in the description for all these app down below, so you're able to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. Okay guys, so the next app I want to share with you is called Stormgain. So basically with Stormgain is the same thing. What you want to do, you want to just come in the app and you want to go on the earn tab, then you want to go to the miner platform. Once you go into miner platform, you're gonna click a button a day guys, and this is every 4 hours. So as you can see here, once I do this puzzle, you're able to see that if I go to the trade and then I come back here, as you can see guys, it is mining right there. So you're able to earn for 4 hours. So every 4 hours you're able to just click this guys and you're able to start earning. And this is daily guys, this is how I earn basically daily. So the next app that I want to share with you guys is called Honeygain. So I've been paid out by Honeygain before guys, so I know that Honeygain does pay out. So yes guys, and basically in the morning what Honeygain has, sometimes it has like a every 24 hours, and sometimes it has every 12 hours. You're able to uh click a button and collect some earning just like that. um Basically you want to just come on the platform, and I guess they don't have it right now. So yes guys, but I will do it in another video for you guys so you're able to see what I am talking about. So the next app I want to go into is called Lootgain. I did go into this app yesterday to do a spin for you guys, but I had some time over that I have to wait on, so I wasn't able to spin for you guys. So I decided to do another video to show you guys basically how I'm able to get that spin. So as you can see here, once you come on the platform, you're gonna go to spin and you're gonna able to have one spin every 24 hours. So you're gonna, so guys, you're just gonna um press start and you're able to spin in that, and you're able to earn just like that. So you're earn 20 coins just for doing that guys, and that's basically all you're able to earn daily. So yes guys, by just clicking a button a day, this is just one part of the earnings by just clicking a button. So just to keep that into consideration. So the next app I want to share with you is basically um app that I've been using to make earnings basically passively. So basically it's called Winwalk guys, and I have a video about this app on my channel, but I'm just sharing with you basically ways how I earn by just clicking a button. So you're gonna go into the mission section guys. Once you go into the mission section, on the top you see that they have um a button that says watch a ad. So you have available every 5 to 45 minutes. So every 5 to 45 minutes you're able to click this button guys, and you're able to earn 5 coins, just to keep that into consideration. So I'm gonna do it for you guys right now. As you can see, I won 5 coins at the bottom of the screen. So guys, that's basically all I'm able to earn by just clicking a button. You have other ways or you can earn with Winwalk, but I'm just showing you where all you can earn by just clicking a button. So yes guys, so the next app that I want to share with you that you're able to earn by just clicking a button is called Sweatcoin. So yes guys, so basically it's the same like not same, but it's similar to Winwalk, where you're able to work and you're able to earn cryptocurrency just for doing that. But also they have another way how you can earn by just clicking a button a day. So if you stroll once you go on the platform guys and you stroll down, you're gonna see that they have a daily reward section. So you have three choices right here. So basically what you want to do, just click claim and you're gonna watch a random ad, and after that you will earn your prizes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do all of them for you guys to show you guys how it's done. As you can see, basically I have earned all my earnings right there. So as you can see that they said added to the wallet, so they added all my earnings to the wallet. So now that's the way how I earn. So guys, that's the way how I earn every day, just by clicking those button. So yes guys, so the next app I want to share with you that you're able to click a button and earn is called Optimity. So yes guys, so I did a cash out and Optimity just the other day, a $10 $5 rather Amazon gift card. So yes guys, so yes guys, so guys, I'm gonna show you basically how you're able to click a button a day and earn an Optimity. First thing you're gonna do guys is just click the daily activity. So the daily activity guys, you don't have to watch any video. Basically what you want to do is just basically do um the activity that they are suggesting for you to do, or you can just read it. So yes guys, but once the time is just counted down right here, as you can see here, that's basically how it works guys, and you're able to earn just by doing that. So after this there will be two more exactly like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna speed up everything to show you guys the finished product and how much I earned just for um counting down those three activities. So yes guys. Awesome. So there you go, guys. That's basically how it's done. You're able to just complete all these three activities and you're able to earn 50 coins just by doing that. So that's a daily way or you can earn with Optimity. So every 24 hours you can just come in this platform, complete the activities, daily activities, and you're able to earn that way. So yes guys, so the next app and the last app I want to share with you is called crypto.com. So if I go into my investment account and just press crypto.com, basically what crypto.com offers guys is way how you're able to earn crypto tokens just by clicking a button a day. I have a full video of this on my channel. You can go ahead and uh, watch that there to get a full other understanding. I'm gonna log in now the platform. So once you're on the platform guys, the first thing you want to do, you just want to go to mission, and then you're gonna see that you have a button that says unlock now. You're gonna press the unlock button now, and then at the bottom you're gonna see it says store 1 diamond involved. So as you can see, it's gonna, you don't have to do it now, it will expire on the 4th of January, but we're gonna do it now just for the video. So we're gonna click um this button right here at the bottom of the screen, and as you can see it says redeem 1 diamond. So you're just gonna click anywhere on the screen to continue, So as you can see, that diamond has been added to our vault. So now we have 10 diamonds right there. And as you can see guys, I have 3 hours until the next time that I'll be able to get another diamond. So that will be 11 diamond right there. So guys, this is basically how I've been earning basically daily, just by clicking a button. So you guys can see that I have part one. Now this is just part two for you guys. So guys, before I go guys, I just want to say it's been great doing this video for you guys. So what's gonna happen now guys, in the new year I'll be sharing mostly how you're able to invest your money and grow your money, because this year I'll be focusing on how you're able to, basically we'll be focusing on how you're able to grow those earnings. So yes guys, so guys, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also, thank you for watching my video. So, guys, if there's any question, anything you want to know, comment down below and let me know. And any video ideas that you have, you want me to go over for you guys, I'll surely do that. Just comment down below and let me know, guys. So, before I go, guys, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.